Okay, I did this once before my lift, that is measuring the ground clearances on my Land Rover LR3. I've since made some modifications, so I'm going to measure it, see how it impacted the ground clearance. Two things I did: one, put on larger tires. I'll post the size of the tires in the link. Two, I installed a 2.5-inch lift kit with Johnson rods, so that should raise it up a bit too. I'm going to measure in two places. One is in the front, in between the axles. The second is along the rail where the air tanks are, since those are important to protect. So with that, we'll go through and we'll see what the various heights are. Okay, first for reference, where I'm measuring on this one is directly under here. I'm going to check this tank right here is what we're going to be measuring from as our ground clearance. Second point is going to be in the front. We're going to measure right here in between the axles at this particular skid plate for me. Okay, so this is standard ride height. Right now we're at about 14 inches on the side and 11 in the front. I'll start it up, we'll lower it, and then raise it one by one. That's 8 3/4 on the front and 11 3/4 on the side. That's access height. Next we'll be doing standard. $13 3/4 and 10 3/4. Next will be off-road. We've got 15.5 on the side and 12.5 in the front. So those are the current settings, a big jump over stop.